Hi friends, today we're going to read Boomer's Checkup by Aaron Mack again, but today I want you to read along with me. What do you remember about the story from yesterday? Before we get started reading, did you notice that there is a smaller story inside the big story? When Calvin is talking, it tells us a story about his checkup too, so I want you to be paying attention to that today. Boomer was Calvin's frisky little dog. It was time for Boomer's checkup, so Calvin and his dad took him to the vet. Don't worry, Boomer, I had a checkup too. First, the vet weighed Boomer. Boomer looked scared. He did not wag his tail. Don't worry, Boomer, my doctor weighed me too. Next, the vet looked in Boomer's mouth. She checked in his teeth and gums. Looks good, she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. Don't worry, Boomer, my doctor checked my mouth too. The vet looked in Boomer's eyes. She shined a light in each eye. Looks good, she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. Don't worry, Boomer, my doctor looked in my eyes too. The vet looked in Boomer's ears next. They look good, she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. Don't worry, Boomer, my doctor looked in my ears too. Then the vet listened to Boomer's chest. She used a stethoscope. That's a big word, isn't it? The author helps us know what a stethoscope is by labeling the picture. See the thing she has in her ears that she's listening to his chest with? Clap stethoscope. Stethoscope. It has 3 syllables. Sounds good, she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. Don't worry, Boomer, my doctor listened to my chest too. Then Boomer held up his paw. The vet saw a thorn in his paw, and before Boomer even noticed, she pulled out the thorn. Don't worry, Boomer, it will be okay. Finally, Boomer wagged his tail, then he wagged it again and again and again. Good dog, Boomer. Why do you think Calvin was talking to Boomer throughout the story? And maybe it was to try to make him feel better since he wasn't wagging his tail. He could tell something was wrong. How do you think Boomer felt once the thorn was finally out of his foot? Yet he felt better, didn't he? How do you know? If he was wagging and wagging his tail, how did Calvin feel when Boomer got the thorn out of his foot? He was really glad about it too, and we know because it says, good dog, Boomer.